Today I'm going to guide you through a meditation. Our main focus is going to be our breath and returning to that focus with kindness and gratitude for ourselves. Find a comfortable space to be in, whether you're lying down or sitting, and just notice your posture. You want to be nice and straight, to open your airways, but not rigid, relaxed and comfortable. It's your choice whether you keep your eyes open or close them, whatever's most comfortable for you. And once you're ready, take note of your breath. Just notice, how are you breathing? How does it feel? Where do you notice your body moving as you breathe? And as you do this, just allow your breath to slow down, to deepen just a little bit. See if you can notice that as you breathe in, it's a little cooler. And as you breathe out, a little warmer. As you breathe, focus in on that out-breath. And just notice how it flows away from your body, how it dissolves. Now there's just all this openness out before you. As you breathe in, notice how it feels refreshing, like a glass of water. And on your next in-breath, just feel how that breath nourishes. And on your next in-breath, notice how your breath nourishes every little cell in your body. Feel that nourishment of the air and the oxygen moving through your body. And as you breathe out, feel that openness in your heart, in your mind, all around you. And anytime that you're distracted, anytime you notice that you're thinking about something else, just attend to that. Notice it in as kind and compassionate way as you can. You don't need to change it. It's there. A little thought, a sensation, a feeling. And then gently bring your attention back to your breath. Notice on that in-breath that you can feel it nourish your body. And follow that out-breath gently. And feel that openness in your mind, in your heart, and all around you. Where are you at? Where's your mind? Where's your attention? Wherever it is, that's beautiful. It's okay. Bring your attention to your breath with kindness and gratitude. And gently notice how it just nourishes your body as you breathe in. And it creates so much openness in your heart, your mind as you breathe out. As you breathe in, bring in that kindness that compassion for yourself, for others in your life. And as you breathe out, just release everything. Let it all go. And notice that openness, that stillness. And as you breathe in, it nourishes your whole body. That nourishment spreads to every little cell, from the top of your head down to the bottoms of your feet. With every in-breath, feel that nourishment. And as you breathe out, follow that out-breath as it dissolves away from you. And feel that openness in your mind, in your heart, all around you. As we come to a close of this meditation, take note of how you feel. Is it different than how you normally feel? Congratulate yourself on nourishing yourself with breath, with attention, with focus, and with the kindness and gratitude and gentleness. Remind yourself to treat yourself this way as often as you can. Thank you.